we want to rank our page very quickly on Google search engine, but unfortunately we struggle a lot. So today I'm going to discuss about a very quick trick and tool through which you can rank your page in a very lesser time, and this will give you a good insight and help you to achieve whatever goal you have in your mind. So let's go ahead and check this tool. So what you need to do is you need to go to Google and you have to type all in title, then put this and then find how to make money online and enter. Once you do this, you'll find that all blog or all article published on internet having title how to make money online will appear here. You can see mostly all those uh, keyword source here. So this is one of the keyword, how to make money online, or you can break it in a how to make money online in two keywords, make money online or how to make money. So you can break it, so you can find that all these keywords appear here, and if you go to the next page you'll find all every keyword here. So you will get to know that what title you should use so that there won't be a less competition. When I talk about competition, you can see the number of result here. So number of result is large. uh, if you write like this through Instagram and let's check the number of results, so number of result is less. So you have to, your page will appear maybe faster than anyone else, because your number of competition and number of result is this. And if you type more Facebook and let's check out how many results you have, you still have this much of results. Through TikTok, if I write, so you have more results. Through Snapchat, if I write, let's see how many results we get. Still very high. Through XYZ tool, if I write, still you have more. So you can use this tool to understand like what sort of a keyword and what works for you, what are the keywords which has a lesser competition and can help you rank faster on Google search engine. Apart from that, this will also help you in understanding you know a golden keyword through which you can rank faster. So when I say there is a uh, tool called all in title. So we have used this to find out a competitive title and keywords. We Let's go ahead and check this tool. So all in title itself is a tool. When you go, this tool says bulk all in title tool, keyword research and keyword golden details it provides. If I go ahead and click on this tool, it will take me to the landing page where let's check out what this tool says. So this tool says this tools talk about entire keyword research and all. If I go to the how it works, this tool works. So this will show the same thing which I was talking about, and then this will give you a anti all in title rank here, and then let's talk about the competition, what are long tail keywords and what are basically golden ratios. So we'll talk about that. So if your golden ratio is less than 0.25, you will get your page ranked faster, as it says. So you just need to follow this tool and you'll get a very good results. So in a very quick video, I discussed about how you can rank your page quickly. So that's all for today, and the thing is that I hope you watch this video, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, so please help me and please encourage me to create more videos, and go ahead and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet in next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.